Watch this, Lee.
Hey guys, it's Holly and welcome back to my channel. Today Max is dropping me off at my parents' house, and then I'm gonna go to the airport with my parents, and I am surprising my little sister who is at uni away from home, and I haven't seen her in quite a few months. I really haven't seen her since coronavirus first kind of had its first outbreak, so it's been a while. I'm very, very excited to finally see her. So yeah, she knows that my mum and dad are coming down, but she doesn't know that I'm coming down, so I'm very excited to surprise her. I mean, hopefully she's happy about it. Max is not a morning person, so it took a lot for him to get out of bed. We're just going to make a quick stop at McDonald's and then head to my parents' house. We got the goods. I just arrived at my parents' house. I don't know where my parents are. I think they're upstairs. I think Dad might be blow drying my mum's hair. But yeah, so I'm just going to eat my burger that I got from Macca's, and then we're going to head to the airport, I think. We've already checked in. Our flight leaves in like an hour, so we kind of need to get to the airport soonish. Okay, so I'm currently alone in the car. My parents are going down to see my sister, but my sister has no idea that I'm here. I talked to her earlier this week and said that I was looking after our family dog this weekend while mum and dad are away, but obviously that's not true. I'm here. She's currently playing football and her team are literally just down the hill over there. So I'm gonna wait for mum and dad to go down and say hi and give her a hug and all of that, and then I will head down in a little bit to surprise her, and hopefully we get it on camera. So she's down there. You won't be able to see which one she is. I think she's number 11. But yeah, so I'm just kind of waiting for mum and dad to say hi, and I'll sneak down in a little bit. just got to our apartment for the weekend. I'm very tired. I've been up since 4:45 and the time is now 4 o'clock, so I've been up for 12 hours and I'm tired, so I'm gonna have a bit of a rest. But yeah, we surprised Amelia successfully. She was super stoked to see me. I did tell her earlier this week that I wasn't coming, so she was not expecting me at all, so I was really happy with how the surprise went. She played a really good game of football or soccer, depending on where you're from, and they didn't win, but they played really well, which was awesome. But yeah, I'm tired, so I'm gonna have a bit of a rest and chill out for a bit before we go back out. But I'm loving it here at the moment. It's really cool to visit my sister in her own space, and so yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit when we do something else. I'm exhausted. So that's the end of day one. My sister is out drinking with her friends, and so mum, dad and I just went out to dinner, as you saw, which was really good. And I think we're gonna watch a movie together. I am just waiting for my boyfriend Max to call me because he's back at home looking after our birds. So I think that he's going... Why do my lips look so weird? They look really swollen. So what am I doing? I'm gonna take my makeup off and then I'm gonna go and see if there's any movies for us to watch upstairs. And I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Day 2 deleted. I'm not eating brunch.
What do you want? We just use this one.
Hey guys, it's day 2 here, visiting my sister. I haven't really done much today. You would have seen a few clips. We basically got up, went and watched my sister play some futsal, and then we went out and got some breakfast, and then there's like a light on my face. And then she showed me around where she's staying, and I met some of her friends, and then she is playing futsal again. I'm in the car. I just don't feel very great. I'm very tired. And then I'm not too sure what we're doing this afternoon. We'll probably go and get dinner or something, and just chill out. And yeah, so it's not as nice weather down here today as it was yesterday. It's quite like, it's kind of raining really lightly, and it's quite cold, so that sucks, but it's not too bad, so yeah. Excuse these guys, they won't shut up unless they're on me. Yeah, okay. I am just coming on here because I didn't film an outro and I didn't actually finish vlogging for the entire trip, and
I stayed there for an extra day and 2 nights, which you guys didn't see because we were seeing old friends, meeting my sister's friends. It was very much kind of more personal things, and I didn't want to shove my camera in their faces, so I didn't film the last couple of days. But it was a great trip. My sister was super surprised. I believe her exact words when she saw me was, "What the fuck, you bitch?" Because she didn't think I was coming down, because I told her I wasn't. But yeah, so basically that was the rest of the trip. I just caught up with some people from high school who I haven't seen in 4 years, and met some of my sister's friends, and we caught up with some of our family friends. My mum also went to university there, so all of her best friends live around there because they all met there, so right now. And yeah, so it was a lot of fun. I haven't been there since I was a toddler, so it was really nice to go and explore the city now that I can actually remember going. And yeah, it was so beautiful and we had a lot of fun. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the big red subscribe button down below. I post new videos every single weekend. And my bird's on my laptop again. Come here. I post new videos every single weekend and would love to have you guys stick around for more content. Smile, be safe, and stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.